Home Minister Amit Shah's luggage has reportedly been checked while he was campaigning in Maharashtra. This amid the huge Maharashtra bag check controversy. Of course, it all began with Uddhav Thackeray claiming that his luggage, his bags were checked by poll officials, claiming that the Election Commission is acting at the behest of the BJP. In fact, what's most interesting is what Amit Shah has posted on his social media platform X. He says that, well, the BJP believes in the standard operating procedure being followed by the Election Commission, and it will abide by all the norms that the Election Commission has laid down. एक स्वस्थ चुनाव प्रणाली में हम सभी आपका योगदान देना चाहिए is what he said. Essentially saying that it is the duty of every political party to contribute to a healthy environment when it comes to an election, which is why the BJP would comply by these norms, essentially making a political point there that the Election Commission is following all standard operating procedure, but the opposition is blaming the Election Commission and tarnishing its image to gain political points. Let me go across to my colleague Aishwarya Jain there. Aishwarya, this seems almost unprecedented. The Home Minister of the country posting a video on his social media platform saying his luggage, his bags were checked while he was campaigning, but also making a political point there that the BJP will comply by the norms laid down by the Election Commission, unlike the opposition, which is on some sort of a campaign to malign the Election Commission's image.
Well, remember that statement by the Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar before the polls and on the day when the elections was announced. He said that nobody will be spared. In fact, be it the government, be it the ministers, top ministers of the country, opposition parties, each and every one's convoy, helicopters, choppers will be checked thoroughly by the Election Commission of India officials. Remember, it was the opposition parties who made a claim that it is the Election Commission of India who's trying to disrupt their election rallies. They are checking their choppers, but now it is Home Minister Amit Shah's chopper that has been now checked at Hindoli, where today he was out for campaigning in Maharashtra by the Election Commission officials. That means, second most powerful person in the country, Home Minister Amit Shah's chopper, and he had in fact posted on social media X that this is a protocol and we should all respect what Election Commission of India officials are doing. He posted on social media and stated that BJP believes in fair elections and healthy elections system and follow all the rules made by the Honorable Election Commission.